Good morning, preschoolers, or good afternoon. How are you? Today we're going to do a fine motor activity, and we're in my kitchen. It's a little messy. I'm reorganizing. So this activity is very simple. You need a marker, not a permanent marker, but this is what I have for right now. And then yarn or string, whatever you guys have at home. And I will show you guys what we're doing. This is a cool activity to work on your fine motor skills. So I'm going to move you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing on the paper. Oh, and you need paper. Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. Sorry, guys. Okay. So I have two pieces of paper. One I'm going to write some letters on, and one I'm going to write numbers on. And then we're going to take the yarn, and I'm going to cut it in strips. And we're going to use our fingers and thumbs to make the letter using the yarn or the string you guys have. So right now I'm going to do the numbers. You don't want them too small because you won't be able to use the yarn very well. So I'm going to only do 1 through 8 because that's what fits on the paper. And then I'm going to do a whole bunch of random letters. Like 8 random letters. And it might be letters that are in your name. All right. So, we're going to cut some strips off this yarn. You don't need them that big. I got stuff. You might want to do some little ones. You might want to do some big ones. Because some letters might need more than one. All right. So you don't have to use a lot of yarn. You guys can use it over and over again. You guys don't have to use. So let's start with the numbers. So what I'm going to do is hold 1 point down and go up. So they might not be pointy, but, and then you guys can, I'm going to cut one littler, and maybe this one a little bit smaller. Oh, here we go. So there's a number 1. Might not look like a number 1 because the yarn doesn't point, but that's okay. So I'm going to get a little bit, whoop, and we're going to make a 2. You guys also can take some glue and actually glue it if you guys want. So there's a number 2. Let's try number 3. Let's do. It might be easier if you guys take some glue and outline the number as well, and then it will stick. Because mine's not sticking. So here's the number 3. And we'll do a number 4. So number 4, we'll probably use a lot of little ones. So I'm going to cut some more. So. And it doesn't have to be like exact. Because that's little. High. Alright, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 5 is going to be a little bit harder because it has a lot of curves. Doop. Looks like an S. Close. All right, let's try 6. There's a 6. Not on the line, but it looks like a 6, right, guys? And a 7. Some 7s don't have this little thing. I just do it. I don't know why. It's habit. And there's a 7. And then an 8 is 1 circle. Two circles. There's an 8. All right, so we did the numbers. Let's do the letters now. So the O is simple. The W will be just straight lines, which is going to be easier. You guys can do this with the letters of your name too, guys. Oop. There's a V. So I'm going all over the place. An X. An I. Let's see. I'll do a K next. K. Oh, forgot the letter C. C. So N's going to take 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And there's an N. I hope you guys liked the little fine motor activity that I did. You guys can take it a little bit farther than I can. You guys can do different things. You could also trace it with other things like buttons or little action figures you guys have. So hope you guys have fun. Miss you. Bye.